I can't believe I'm saying this. The Bugatti is back. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I am literally shocked. So in case y'all didn't know, and just a brief synopsis of this Bugatti, I had a client that was willing to bid on the car. We got to like 1.14 or something around there, was something around 1.13 or something like that, and my client dropped out. My client, very well-known music personality, which we've talked about before. And oh shit, hold on, I'm about you coming over here just to fuck with me? So the brief synopsis of the history of this car is, so it was purchased at auction, and from the information that I got, the vehicle was actually purchased by HR Owen, which is a dealer out in the UK. And I don't know if they were going to use this vehicle as a parts car, or if this was going to be a vehicle that they fixed and then sold. But needless to say, they didn't pay. So they didn't pay for the car. The vehicle, or that's, how do I say this in a way that doesn't sound bad? It's not that the vehicle wasn't paid for, it's that the payment didn't get approved or didn't go through. I don't know if it means that
it means they're broke. They ain't had the motherfucking money.
Yeah, yep, that's exactly what it means. So I don't know if it was an issue on like their banking side, or if State Farm basically just said screw it. But usually, like, and this is what I told people when they said, oh no, we looked it up, the listing shows sold. Now, from what I was told and from what I was able to see from what they were having as the company that was coming to pick it up to take it so it could be shipped out via to customs for it to go out, was that the accepted bid was 1.7, the counter bid, and evidently it wasn't paid. So now we're back here, it's back at auction, and it's currently sitting at $51,000. Now, is Bugatti Mania going to continue to happen where we see this thing go for another 1.5 or 1.6? We know the reserve on the vehicle is 1.87 or something like that, 1.847 million. What do you guys think about what's transpired with the Bugatti? Because I was literally shocked. I literally got hit up, and the guy that I know that does the transport down there was like, hey, the vehicle, and here's the thing, the vehicle also has already been moved. Okay, that's the other, like, this is like crazy. Now, I don't know if that was like a criminal situation or what was going on, but all I know is like the vehicle was already being moved. So the fact that it had been taken off premises and now is back on premises, that's crazy.
They yanked their money back.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know what happened, but all I know is that Copart and State Farm did not get paid.
Finish him.
And and where Copart and State Farm did not get paid, and when they did not get paid, the car has to come back. So luckily for Copart and State Farm, the vehicle hadn't been put on a shipping container and left yet, because then they both probably been holding the bag. I don't think that company, HR Owen, is the kind of company not to pay a bill. I don't know if they just maybe thought about it and said, you know what, no, or maybe they finally got a notification or something from Bugatti that they wouldn't be able to do anything with the car. I don't know what the situation is on that. I've asked for clarification from the different people that I know as to what happened. It wasn't that State Farm didn't approve the deal. Like I said, we were at 1.7. It was at 1.7 that was an accepted counterbidded offer, and it did show up as sold. Now, this is what I try to tell you guys. These internet experts that try to say, oh, I bid at Copart, I do this all the time, I told you it was sold, its car's been sold, TK, it's sold for $1.5 million. You look like a fucking ass clown right now. Because no, the car did not sell at $1.5 million. It was counterbidded, it sold at 1.7, and then it wasn't paid for. I don't know why it wasn't paid for, or it was paid for and the transfer of funds didn't work. And I don't know if that means it was a wire. I'm guessing because of the amount of money, it was a wire transfer and something went wrong. Needless to say, the car is back up for sale. It will be back up here in about 6 days. I did reach back out to my client, my former client, to see if they had any interest in it. And they basically said no, because they know that this vehicle is going to sell for an insane amount of money. So we'll see what happens. But anywho's, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Bonus video for you guys today. I couldn't believe this shit. I really couldn't. I literally got a call from Copart, from a friend at Copart, and they were like, "You're not going to believe what's back." And I was like, "What? What could possibly be back?" You know, and he's like, "The Bugatti's here. It's back." And I was like, "Didn't that shit get shipped? Or didn't that get bought? Are they rerunning it through the auction or what?" And he goes, "No, man. Something was funny with the payment." So I immediately was on the phone to find out what the hell was going on. And yeah, I don't know what's going on. And like I said, this is not a slight towards HR Owen, of course not. I just don't know what happened. Maybe the wire transfer didn't go through. Maybe they found out they couldn't get it out from customs. Maybe they found out because of the certificate of destruction. And here's the thing, even if the payment didn't go through for HR Owen buying the vehicle, they still are going to pay that $600 fee for not completing the deal if they want to keep their account open with Copart. That's a no-no. So yeah, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I think this is absolutely bananas. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. And I'm shocked. I'm literally shocked that it's back. But I guess we're back to the speculation, right? What do you guys think? You think Whistling Diesel's going to jump in on it? I don't know, man. Some of the stuff that has been going on, we just covered a video. We did a video with you guys on it, with what's going on with Cody and Whistling Diesel with the monetization thing. I don't think he wants to drop a couple or over $1 million on a car to destroy it and then get demonetized. I don't know. Be interesting though. Be very, very interesting. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I truly appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Before we get out of here, guys, though, I got to talk about the sponsor of today's video, Ridge, the Ridge wallet. This is easily one of my favorite products for me to talk about and or promote for you guys here on the channel, with one of the best warranties in the business, 45 or, lifetime warranty, but best purchase options in the business. 45 days you get to try before you buy. I fit a lot more credit cards than what this thing is actually designed for in here. And I absolutely love it. And I just put my cash and stuff on the back. And like I said, this thing has consolidated what I used to have, which was a big fat mound wallet that I used to keep in my pocket all the time. It was insane. Keeps me from keeping a bunch of like crappy receipts and everything else. And if you go to bridge.com/TK's Garage, like several people from the family here have done, they're going to look out for you. They're going to give you a discount and let you grab one of these for the low. Like I said, lifetime warranty, some of the best customer support in the business, and not to mention a really solid wallet. And if you're on some bling bling type of stuff, they got the gold, 24 karat gold or 18 karat gold plated wallets, carbon fiber, all different types of materials. Go check it out, ridge.com/TK's Garage.